This is what we are having one of the problems that is based on circle NCRT. Remember, circle, that is the NCRT book. Many students have requested me to solve this perfectly. Some of them got confused completely. So let's start with the problem. 10.2, problem number 12. Very interesting problem. What is the exact problem? This is the problem. That 10.14, the diagram is given in the textbook with 6 centimeter OD. The OD, this OD will be your radius part. This is your radius part. Or this is 6, this is 8, what we are given. Now, if I will draw this diagram, this ABC, it is drawn in such a way that if you'll observe this, I'm converting this into a complete diagram. I'm drawing this AO from A to O, drawing this CO, this will be your BO, this will be your FO. Now this if you OE, OF, F and E are assumed. I am constructing that. OD is already given. OD, OE, OF, these are the radius. Let us assume AF as X centimeters. For this similarly, I am expecting X because it is circle inscribed inside the triangle. It is in circle, so the distance from A to F, second A to A, secondly one more part, the external point. A is an external point. We are drawing tangents. That is also one of the properties what we are using over here. So AF and A will be equal. Similarly, BD and B will be equal. There are 8. CF and CD are already equal. They are 6. It is given only. So as usual with the property of tangent, property of a circle, the tangent drawn from outside exterior point from the towards the center, tangent drawn from the point outside the circle on the towards the circle or to the at the F will be your point of tangency, E will be your, the another point of tangency. They are going to be equal here. So let's start with, so as usual BD will be 8 centimeter, DC will be 6, BBD that will be 8, CDCF that will be your 6 centimeters. So now if next part, if I'm assuming this as X as usual, what will be the ABC? Now let's consider this triangle ABC. A will be 6 plus 8. Let us assume this A. Why? We will be using a formula. Which formula we are expecting or what is expected with the formula? It is Heron's formula. Okay. Heron's formula. So to find the area on the basis of this Heron's formula, I'm taking A as 6 plus 8, 14, B as X plus 6 and C as X plus 8. So A will be the this side A, this will be your A, the B, this will be your B, as usual the C. I'm sure that you remember what you learned last year, ninth grade. So I'm using this A over here, B and C, small a, small b, small c. These are the assumed, the distances or length. Length for BC as small a, length for AC. So I put a small b, length of AB as small c. And as usual, there are 14, x plus 6 and x plus 8. Let's go with next part. Now in this next part, I am taking same drawing, so there should not be, you will not get any confuse in this case. Let's go with this same figure. Just what I'm doing over here, why I'm taking these two figures intentionally, so you will not get confused how I'm using this. I'm using the same figure now, half perimeter. It is a plus b plus c upon 2. So I'm adding all this, you will be getting a formula 2x plus 28 upon 4. That will be x plus 14. Now, let's use the Heron's formula. Area of triangle ABC with all lengths of side. Radical under square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. We are multiplying it with S, half perimeter, under root. So S is X plus 14 multiplied by X multiplied by 8 multiplied by 6. So finally we got under root 48 into X plus 14. So that is your first equation. We'll assume this as first equation. Now let's go for another diagram. Now I'm using one area, what we did last time. This was the area using the Heron's formula. Okay, Heron's formula. So as usual, the Heron's formula. Now, in this case, what I'm going to do? I'm going to use the regular formula of area. What area? 1 half into base into height. Okay, base into height. This is the formula what I'll be using to find the area of the same triangle. Two different formulas for the same triangle to get the result. Okay, clear? So just I'll erase this part. Huh? Now, as far as this part is concerned, let's go with next part. So what we will be getting here? Let's go with, sorry. First part will be triangle OBC, OCA and OAB. Which triangles are shown if you'll observe these triangles. These triangles. This triangle, this triangle, and this triangle. So as usual, OA, OBC, smaller triangle, O AC and AOB or OAB. Anyway, you can pronounce. So these three triangles I'm adding. Now what is triangle OBC? It is, it will be one half. If you see, you will be getting here. Just a second. Let's go stepwise. This is the first step where you will be taking half OD into BC, half AC into OF, half AB into OE. OAC, AC into OF. AC will be the base. OF, that will be your height. Again, OE will be the height. AB will be your base. Again, this in the same case, OD and BC. So as usual, OD will be your height and BC will be your base. So one half base into height. Everywhere the formula remains same. One half into base to height. That is the original. So formula which I have learned in your classes, the primary formula, basic formulas. So just one half, just substituting the various values, 4 into 14 into 4, 14 plus 4, sorry, in this case you can use parenthesis over here, that will be helpful, plus multiplied by 6 plus x. Now here, if this part, see, one half, 14, 4 into 14, this I'm taking whole half common. If you observe, I'm taking this half everywhere. We're having this half, one half as a common part. So I'm taking this 2 as common, half as common. What is left here? OD, that will be 4, the radius multiplied by 14 total. Again, if you'll observe this part, again this 4, this will be radius. So as usual, if you'll observe this part, this is your radius, this is your base. Again, this is your radius, this is your base. Again, this is your radius, and this will be your base. Okay, this, how you are observe. Finally, you are getting 54 plus 4x. Clear with this? See. Now, if now I'll erase this, so it will be more clear for you to for the understanding part. Now, let's go for next part is that I'm just implementing now. Just now, regular algebra, solve the regular algebra. That's it. So as usual, it will be 14 plus x into 48x. Just 56 converted 4, taking 4, factorization 4 into bracket 14 plus x. Now 14 plus x, 14 plus x. So you can cancel out. Just next step will be, I'm squaring on both sides. So on squaring both sides, the square root goes away. 48x is into 14 plus x, 14 plus x, brackets go. One whole bracket gets cancelled. And if you solve this, very easy, just 16 is of 48. If you divide 16 one time, 16 three times, that will be. So one bracket, how you will be getting 3 is equal to 3x, sorry, is equal to 40 plus x. So what you got here? Finally, 2x is equal to 40, and the final answer that you will be getting here, x is equal to, so 2x, I'll write x properly here. Final answer, x is equal to 7. This is what the question. Now just plug in the values for this. So AB will be 8 plus x, that will be 15. CA will be x plus 6, that will be